My pool cleaner is not performing as should be. It's not following the pattern assigned, which is the cross pattern for floor cleaning, staying in the same place for a long time, and it's giving just turnarounds, turns, and without any sense. As you can see, it went through a perfect line, but then stay in one place without returning, completing the cleaning of the floor. Uh, it's not performing properly. I need help to do a proper configuration, or is something wrong with the machine. I just did the firmware update and it went through properly. As you can see, my swimming pool is not too big, but there's many spots that are not cleaning properly, and the machine is, it seems like not obeying the commands. This is my third machine in my pool.